Hey guys, it's Rosalind Roxy Jenkins from the 305, and we are making conch balls. That's what I said. Conch balls are not fritters. Fritters are flat and balls are round. And I don't care how ugly you think they are, they're still balls. These are conch fritter balls by Home Cooking Done Roxy, and that is me. So you know this is a Bahamian dish, and we use conch and peppers and seasoning, and I will personally put the recipe in my description. I fried these for about 8 minutes, and look how tender and crispy they are on the outside. And oh, look at that conch. So in this house, we do not do Thousand Island dressing, nor do we do mayonnaise, ketchup, hot sauce, and paprika. We don't do that. We do yum yum sauce from the Asian aisle in the grocery store. And good.